Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel. On this channel, I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news, and everything in the crypto space. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I have more interesting updates, you will not miss out. I give you guys all the latest talk on cryptocurrency, and something is currently trending right now. If you go on Twitter, you will see that trending number one in Nigeria is Binance Stop Scamming. So the Binance platform has been dragged by a lot of Nigerian youths that the platform just suspend their account and scam them and take their money just like that, right? So this particular story, I've been monitoring it this afternoon before it blew up to this point. Right now, a lot of Nigerians are actually dragging the Binance platform for freezing their accounts without prior notice, and they said this has been happening since 2017. Mind you, Nigerians are one of the biggest traders that use the Binance platform. So this is going to have a very serious negative effect on Binance. So let's quickly read through the tweets that are going viral so that you guys can have a feel of what is happening and why people are very angry. Now, somebody said, uh, one day we are going to talk about how Binance and CZ freezes accounts with no prior notice. They lock up millions of people who's had earned money, and just give me. So a lot of Nigerians are complaining, and look at this tweet. A girl called Chi said, Monday we are going to talk about how Binance and CZ freezes accounts with no prior notice. They lock up millions of people's hard-earned money, and contacting customer service will not release it. Don't leave a huge amount there, it can be gone in one day. And somebody said, just yesterday my account was blocked again for a supposed excuse transactions of months ago. Now you are blocking my wallet because we are Africans. Look at this person is showing screenshot of how his account got blocked by Binance, and they said upon checking this, you have found that your account is particular deposit, your account is that's risk control. Please be noted that the review period can last up to a month. There are no actions needed for your end at this time. Don't chat with customer care agents, whatever. And the guy just replied, you are mad, thieves. Then look at this person said, is enough, I'm a victim, my account has been frozen for about 4 months now with over $500,000, mostly comprising of auto coins. Is it a crime to be African? And somebody said, are you still using Binance? Many coins have been locked for years, months, and even days without any reason. Stop using Binance for your own interest. A lot of people are now coming out against the Binance platform. Look at this person, Omoyele. He said, don't wait until you are it. You may not survive it. Dedicate some time to actually help your friends today. There was a particular person that said he lost 5 Bitcoin because Binance platform blocked his account. He said, you have illegally locked and denied me access to my account for 6 months, and your reason for unlocking my account doesn't add up at all. Please unlock my account. Nigerians will stop using Binance. And I'm sure if Nigerians decide to stop using Binance, it's going to be a major blow for the Binance platform. Somebody said, it is okay when you liquidate my portfolio in a bad trade. When I give access to scammers and they steal my money, it is my fault. But you don't tell me shit that my account is locked and I cannot access my fund for no reason. Somebody said, well, Binance has a friend's account disabled without any justifiable reason, for God's sake. Somebody said, crypto has been an escape route for a lot of Nigerian youths, including myself, due to the failure of Nigerian government to take care of our teeming youths. Binance shouldn't add to our problem. Like, this is a very serious issue. For Nigerians to come out in mass and begin to start talking about the problem, the issues that the problem is very serious, and a lot of Nigerians are actually using Binance. That is one of the reasons Binance is like the biggest exchange platform. We have over 200 million people. So imagine 200 million people, like the youth, let's say like 50 million, let's say like 20 million out of the 50 million are actually using your platform. The kind of numbers is going to help you achieve. That is why Binance is like the biggest exchange platform in the world. So imagine Nigerians leaving the Binance platform and going to another crypto exchange platform. How is going to affect the Binance market? I think the best thing that CZ should do and the Binance team is for them to figure out a way they can actually resolve this issue. Somebody said, there's a particular story I'm looking for, a particular comment where the guy talked about losing 5 Bitcoin in 2017. Somebody said a Nigerian trader who had his entire asset on Binance nearly committed suicide because of this, that I have over $400,000 in my disabled account. They have been targeting Nigerians. If this is the story I'm looking for, said Binance is scamming Nigerians heavily. Binance held my 5 Bitcoin since August 26, 2021. Binance is a fraud. This guy literally taxes it. Imagine Binance owning 5 Bitcoin. 5 Bitcoin, that's like currently the price of Bitcoin is like 33 million times 5, like 150 something million naira of somebody. That's crazy, man. Somebody said tell a friend to stop using Binance. This is not working well for Binance, because just like the way Binance is trending, Binance stop scamming, Coinbase has started trending in Nigeria. And if Nigerians begin to move their money from Binance to Coinbase, trust me, it's not going to be a good one for the Binance team. So I feel Binance should figure out a way to resolve this issue. Something I'm going to do after this is I'll take my time to actually figure out ways where if you have issues with Binance, how you can resolve it if it is possible. Then secondly, I'm going to make another video on other platforms that can make you use Binance. But the question is, why do Nigerians use Binance? So the question is, what should Nigerians do? In other words, what are the ways we can actually begin to save ourselves from all this kind of mess that's coming up through the Binance platform? And why do Nigerians use Binance? One of the major reasons a lot of Nigerians use Binance is because when the Nigerian federal government banned cryptocurrency in Nigeria, a lot of people had to figure out a way to start using funding their crypto wallet without using the bank. And one of the ways they did it was using the P2P platform, peer-to-peer, where they can connect with somebody else and actually get their crypto in exchange for their money. So peer-to-peer came in place, and Binance was the first platform to give Nigerians that support. That's why a lot of Nigerians started using Binance. But with the whole situation happening right now, if any other platform can give Nigerians that same opportunity, I'm sure a lot of Nigerians will stop using Binance. One, another reason Nigerians use Binance is because of the cheap charges that Binance charge when you're using their platform. Like, they literally charge you very low compared to Coinbase, compared to Latoken, compared to KuCoin and other platforms. So if another platform comes and gives Nigeria a good rate with very good P2P system, trust me, a lot of Nigerians are going to dump Binance. That being said, this video is just to intimate you guys on what is happening right now in the crypto space and how Binance is beginning to fall into the blacklist of majority of Nigerians. And mind you, Nigeria is the third, I think it's either we are the first or we are among the top 3 countries that use cryptocurrency like massively. A lot of Nigeria youths now invest their money in Bitcoin, Ethereum and stuff like that. That being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. I'll be giving you guys more updates on these stories back to back. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another premium content.